Hi, my name is Dishit Mahajan, and the topic of my data visualization project is analysis of consumer complaints. For this, we have chosen a data set from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau website, which has around which is focused on consumer complaints and has around 70 to 20 attributes describing the date received, the product, the issue, what was the issue against what product was the issue, what company did the complaint come down to, and which state is the company located in, and what was the company response to the consumer. So from this dataset, we'll be creating 6 different use cases with the help of Tableau. So our first use case is focused on the product and the complaints recorded product wise. So from here we can see that for a particular year 2016, the complaints recorded are 40,300 for the product debt collection. So for 2016, 40,300 were the total number of complaints recorded for the product debt collection. So from out of 40,300, we can see that in the month of August we got around 4140 amount of complaints for the same product. In December, we can see that 3647 were the amount of complaints recorded for the debt collection, and so on. We can describe for the month wise. For a particular date, we can say that 1278 were the complaints recorded for the particular debt. So this tells us the bifurcation of the complaints recorded on in particular year or in the particular month on a particular date. So this is our first use case. Our second use case is focused on state-wise products distributed. So from here we can see that there are 50 amount of states listed on a map. So if we check down for Nebraska, we can see that we can see that 21,029 there are around 6,087 products of mortgage. Debt collection is 3989. Bank account services around 2200. So the variation of the records, the variation of the products is defined by the color, with the highest amount in the darkest color and the lowest amount in the lightest color. Same with the sub-products as well. So for the mortgage, we can see that the other products are 2,243, which is highest than the rest of the sub-products. So this second use case helps us to understand the products distributed according to the states. The third use case, is an interaction between the company and the consumer. So first pie chart describes what's the company's response to the consumer. So if the complaint has been closed with explanation, so the highest number of complaints have been closed with explanation. So for that, the highest number of consumer have not disputed. Yes, some amount of consumer disputed because of not happy with the response, and the consumer which have disputed or not disputed are which have not disputed are around 1,55,000 are the service member, and 1,47,000 are the older American. So this use case describes the interaction between the company and the consumers, which help the CFPB to understand how to get good responses from the company. This is the fourth use case, which describes the comparison of timely response on complaints. So whether the company has given timely response regarding to the product. So from here we can see the mortgage has the highest, as in the most known product is mortgage, which has around 225 523 number of records, and company has given given response on time for that product. So this use case will help us understand that the highest number of product is prioritized by the company, and for which they have timely given response to the consumer. The fifth use case is basically focused on top 20 issues for which the complaints are received. So these are the top 20 issues, out of which from the color variants we can see that incorrect information credit report is 50,065, which has been recorded, which has been number of complaints recorded for that particular issue. So this use case tells us that out of top 20, these are the top 20 complaints, and out of that, incorrect information is the highest issues faced by the consumer. Our sixth use case basically focus on state-wise issues categorized. Sorry. The state map tells us the 50 states. If we click on Texas, 29. So out of 29 issues, we can see 4 are disclosure verification of debt, 4 are incorrect information on the credit report, 3 are incorrect information on the report. So this is the bifurcation of the issues according to the states, and thus these sub issues are again bifurcated according to the issues. This sixth use case tells us this sixth use case tells us the state-wise issues categorized basically, and the whole project will help us understand and the CFPB to analyze the complaints recorded, and will help them to reduce the number of complaints flowing in every time. So that's all from my side.